Hey everyone, I'm just jumping on here really quickly to show you I ordered, the Birkin bag, the Walmart Birkin bag, which was like $54, and I think the total came to $59. So it came, and this is my Christmas present to myself. I could care less about a high-end bags. I just wanted, a Walmart Birkin. It's pink, so let's open it. It came today. Sorry, my necklace got caught. Comes in like a little that's what it looks like. It's pink. It reminds me of the Brahmin bags. It has comes in with this little pouch. And then this is kind of what the inside looks like. Lots of room. And then it has a shoulder strap. And this is the back of it. Like I said, I paid $54 and then shipping $59. Just wanted to show you this was my Christmas gift to myself. So just thought I'd share that with you.